When the rooster crows, it's time to go to the farm with all your friends. When the tractor hums, it's time for fun. The adventure never ends. There's lots to see, so much to do. We'll learn and play, discover too. Farm explorers, me and you. Farm explorers, me and you.
Let's go! Let's explore teamwork with a foal. Greetings, farm explorers. Today, we're with Mac and Donald at the E-I-E-I-O barn. What's that you're carrying, Donald?
Looks like a fancy new dog collar. Thanks, Donald. You shouldn't have.
Well, actually, Dean, this is a halter. It's like a dog collar, but for a horse. This halter is a gift for a foal that was born just last week.
Wow, that's great. But what's a fold?
Oh, well, that's close, Dean. The name for a baby horse is a foal. Let's meet one. Would you like to explore with us? Let's go! Explorer friends, how are you? Come along with us and we'll learn something new.
Phew, it's pretty hot out today. Now I wonder where that little foal is.
There you are. We have a present for you, little one. Mama horses, like most mamas, stay close to their babies after they're born. Would you like to take a closer look? When you're feeling curious and you want to know, take a closer look and your mind will grow. All baby foals can stand up by themselves right after they're born.
A mama horse is called a mare. Mama mares talk to baby foals through soft sounds called snorts.
Hey, what is this thing?
This is a watering trough, Dean. A trough is another word for a large tub used so the big animals can take a drink of water.
Huh, it's empty. That's not good.
I bet the horses are thirsty.
You know, that's the biggest trough I've ever seen.
That's because horses are big and need lots of water to fill them up. Big animals like horses drink more water than small animals like kittens. Can you think of other examples of big and small?
Oh, I know. A tractor is a lot bigger than a wheelbarrow.
And a foal is smaller than a mare. But when it grows up, they'll be the same size.
You are both correct. Now, let's figure out how to get some water into this big bucket. Donald, is there a quick way to fill this water trough?
You bet, Cal. I'll show you. This is our hose. And this is the handle you turn to make the water flow out of it.
I've used a hose before. Let me help.
Hoses are great for watering plants and grass.
But what is this piece of equipment called?
Well, Tinker, this is called a hose reel. All I have to do is turn this handle and the hose rolls back up all neat and tight.
I get it. That's fun. Come on, Dean. Let's work together. We can use the hose to fill up the watering trough.
It's getting hotter and the horses need water. Let's make it fun and get the job done together. Let's work together. Imagine how much we can do when we come together. Me and you. Do 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 do.
It worked! We actually led some horses to water and got them to drink. And that makes us a super special crew.
Today, we learned that mommy horses are called mares and baby horses are called foals. We learned the differences between big and small, too. We also learned how to use a hose to give the animals some water.
And that means it's time for a square dance party.
What a day in the fields and the barn. Playing with friends down on the farm. Driving the tractor and doing the chores. So much to learn, so much to explore. This farm adventure never ends. With Tinker, Cow, Dean, and their new farm friends. What a day in the fields and the barn. Playing with friends down on the farm.
Thanks for visiting the farm today.
See you next time. Until then, keep exploring.